Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm just having a play this morning. I'm working on a prototype for a rustic hanging basket for my fernery. It's going to be made, hopefully, out of very straight sticks. Now these are from the cuttings from my apple trees, which happily grow very long, straight stems. And so I will stack them up in a square like this. I shall drill down through each corner and then I will connect them using some of this thick twine and make a hanging basket which I will line with moss and then plant some ferns in and hang them in my fernery garden. But this is not the point of this video. There will be a video on this in the very near future when I've perfected the prototype. The point of this video is this. Let me explain very quickly and then I can get inside out of this awful wind which is probably shaking the camera, so I do apologise if there's some vibration on the camera. In this box is a prize for my March prize draw. Now, if you follow my channel, you will probably already know that I've recently set up a club where people can join up. The idea behind this is every month, product providers offer me things to review. I now ask for two, one for me and one for a club member. So we have a prize draw every month. In December, I gave away 3 of these amazing wildlife cameras. In January, I gave away one of these fantastic electric chainsaws. And in February, I gave away a Reolink CCTV camera worth £200. Now, the exciting news is the person that won that in the February prize draw was actually my mum. And my mum doesn't feel comfortable receiving the Reolink security camera, so it's rolling over. The exciting news is that we have a second bite at the cherry. The Reolink CCTV solar powered with motion detection and night vision is going back in the draw for March. If you want to be in it to win it, you have to join my club, which means visiting my website and signing up. It's really straightforward. If you're one of the first 1,000 members to sign up, we've not got to 1,000 yet, you will be a founder member and you'll get 50% discount on the first year's admin fee, which means you will only pay £1 a month. So that's £1 a month for 12 months membership, 12 prize draws where you can be in it to win it for a chance to win all the prizes that I get given by companies. So have a look at my club, Mark's House and Garden UK Club. And if you sign up before the 25th of February, you'll be in the March draw. That's it for now. Look out for a video soon on my rustic hanging basket. And I'll see you soon for some more House and Garden UK Club adventures.